Good morning. Well, guys, this is the end of the road. Going back home today. Getting myself together now. Greg and Royalty is still sleeping. They about to get their butts up. But I did set my alarm, so I did good. Yeah, we have a 3:00 flight, but the airport is like 2.5 hours away from where we actually are staying. So, it's better to leave early so you'd be on time. And if you hear anybody snoring in the background, that is Greg. But yes, Jamaica, it has been an experience. And I look forward to seeing you again. And yeah, so I'm grateful I was able to be here for Christmas. Today is December 31st. So it is the last day of the year 2024. And oh my God, I can't believe it. But I thank God that I made it. I thank God that He woke me up every single day in my right state of mind. I thank God for every opportunity to do all the things that I wanted to do. I thank God for the relationships, the people I've met, the people whose lives I've touched, the people whose lives have touched mine. I'm grateful for my parents. I'm grateful that my parents are still alive. I'm grateful that my extended family, my in-laws, everybody is still here. I'm grateful. I have nothing to complain about. I'm grateful. And this is my season of gratefulness. And I'm so happy and I'm so grateful. And I thank God for His grace and just everything He's been doing for me and showing me. And I'm grateful for the relationship with Him. Yeah, so I can only get better from here. Because God said, and God did, so. But I'm just grateful. And yeah, so 2024. Oh man, it has been a year. I'm even grateful for the trials and tribulations because it grew something in me. I'm grateful for understanding, humbleness, wisdom. I'm just grateful for it all. My children get on my nerves, but I'm grateful that God even gave me the opportunity to be able to bear children, to carry children in my womb. I'm just grateful. I'm grateful. I'm telling you, my life is good. I don't have nothing to complain about. Of course, we can always find things, but any little complaint I got is something that could be fixed. There's an easy solution to it. So I am grateful. Grateful. God is so good. He is so good. And there's none like Him. There's nobody like Him. Not no king, not no master, not no person. There's nobody like God. Thank you, Jesus. So I don't want to be getting all emotional on this camera with the background music of snoring. Yes, and so when I get home, my father-in-law done cooked up the good things. Them, he already know what I like. So I cannot wait to get home and eat. Now I know I'm not gonna be in Jamaica eating Jamaican food, but my father-in-law makes some good, authentic Jamaican food. And listen, if you are in New York City and you want catering of Jamaican, authentic Jamaican style cooking, hit me up. Let me know, because my father gets it done. You will be satisfied. Top tier Jamaican cuisine. Okay? All right. I love you guys. And yeah, time to hit the airport.
We're going now to locate your closest exit and remember it may be behind of you. As I take changing cabin pressure, 4 option mask straps overhead. Further to the mask is the above option. Remove any face coverings and place the option mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the other spin around your head and tie with straps on both sides. Option will be going even if the sun is late. Put your mask on first before helping others so that you know it's no longer needed.
And I want to see my present from church.
Don't hesitate to ask. We'll be coming to ask for one last check. Please make sure you keep us back.
We are on our way home. God bless you. Still in the airport. Ooh. Not stuck, just delayed. It is the last day of the New Year's, and it does look like I will be on a plane when it reaches 12 midnight. But this is not bad because it could be worse. I'm with my favorite person in the world. This is my second favorite person. My other favorite person who just gives a hard time. But yeah, I'm starting to get a little thirsty, a little hungry. But I'm trying to hold it. But I think at like 9 o'clock, I'm going to get a coffee. There's a diner not too far from here. Yeah. I don't know what the delay is about. I know that it's New Year's Eve, but let me find out. Cartel has something to do with this. Mr. Vibes Cartel. And so everybody's waiting for us at home. Food is cooked. I cannot wait to eat. Where she went? Over there? Oh. That's pretty. That looks like downtown Orlando. My husband don't never say he tired. So he must be tired. Usually be like, So what you gonna do when you go home? When you get home? You don't know? You think you're gonna go to bed? You're not gonna eat? He said he didn't want to come back here to the USA. It's 12 o'clock.